Without this treatment, my son will die.
I remember sitting on her lap, looking up at her, wondering why she was crying. I was obviously just a kid.
I think this country has the finest bureaucratic regulations in the world, and the other countries are way behind.
What people go through with cancer, and since 1967 you've been saying, I can take care of that, and people are going, forget it, don't pay any attention. Are we that backward, doctor?
Yes.
Well,
What do you mean? Yes. Are we that backward?
Yes.
Dr. Brzezinski saved my life.
Do you believe you would be alive without Dr. Brzezinski?
I know I would not.
for some reason they don't want to have cure of cancer.
25 years old at the end of the month, and there's been a cure for cancer that long.
Dr. Brzezinski saved my life, and for that, he is facing 300 years in a federal penitentiary.
Perhaps Dr. Brzezinski has found the medical breakthrough of the century. Certainly a wealth of empirical data hints at that possibility. But how will we ever know if the FDA succeeds in quashing it?
The FDA has raided Dr. Brzezinski's clinic enough times now that they should have been able to prove any legitimate charges they may have had against him. The relentless stress the FDA has put Dr. Brzezinski's patients through is unforgivable.
The FDA has convened 4 grand juries, none of which returned an indictment. Finally, 5 days after this body pressed David Kessler for answers on retaliatory actions against Dr. Brzezinski, guess what? He was indicted.
Will FDA's initiatives that you announced today expedite the current review of anti-neoplastons treatments?
I don't want to get into any particular agent.
Isn't part of your problem that the treatment of cancer is a very profitable industry for a lot of companies, and that your treatment right now will eat into those companies' profits?
Bingo.
Yes.
Anything. I'd like the following questions to be asked the FDA. How much money have they spent in the last 10 years to try to put Dr. Brzezinski out of business? How many documents can they subpoena, and how many more grand juries does he have to go to? And why can't patients who have advanced cancer seek the medical treatment of their choice?
The issue of whether anti-neoplastons work may not even come up during the trial. The judge says that's not relevant.
You voted to acquit?
To acquit, absolutely.
Not guilty.
Not guilty.
I voted for acquittal.
I voted my mind and my heart,
I do not believe that Dr. Brzezinski is a criminal.
and I had voted to acquit.
Dr. Stanislaw Brzezinski is presently the first and only scientist in United States history to enter the federal drug approval process for a proprietary cancer therapy without any financial support from the American government, the pharmaceutical industry, or the cancer establishment.